Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create guidelines for sewing a wig on a wig cap. This is an important step in ensuring that your wig looks natural and professional. Before we begin, let's take a look at the materials we'll be using. We have a mannequin, a wig stand, a chalk, a wig cap, a measuring tape, and a 4x4 closure. The first step is to measure out the size of the closure on the wig cap. We are working with a 4x4 closure, so we'll be measuring 4 inches by 4 inches. To do this, I will place the measuring tape at the center of the wig cap and measure out 4 inches in both directions. Next, I will place the measuring tape at the end of the length of the closure and secure it with a pin. Then I'll start marking lines on the wig cap using 1 inch increments. I will measure 1 inch apart from each other, making sure to leave a distance of 1 inch between each line. These lines will serve as a guidelines for sewing the wig. The purpose of these guidelines is to ensure that the wig is sewn in a straight and even manner. By following these lines, you'll be able to create a natural looking hairline and avoid any unevenness or bulging. Once you've created these guidelines, you can start sewing your wig on those lines. And that's it, we've successfully created guidelines for sewing a wig on a wig cap. Remember to take your time and be precise when measuring and marking the lines. This will ensure that your wig looks natural and professional. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and wig making tips.